overnight only.
And then Bombay.
In Bombay. We had chemotherapy.
That was already bought.
Yeah.
And then you didn't go back till, or did you all ever go back for in?
I went, no? Shakun
No, that was much later. But otherwise, as a child, no. And what about Baba and Amma? Did they?
No.
And we only went back like very recently. That one time where
How long ago did you all go back? I remember we were not married. We were young. Mama?
Oh yes, 1986 was it?
No. Then that means
This is the photograph.
Yeah. See
This
that.
is the photograph.
Yeah.
You see, this is a photograph at the airport.
Yeah.
Huh?
I used to be over there.
Yeah, that used to be over here. But when we got this painting, then.
But
we
when you left, Papa, did you all leave when the riots and all broke out, or you all left before?
Before.
So it was peaceful when you left.
Yeah.
But from what Papa tells me, what I've heard from you, didn't you no lights in the train or something like that?
Why?
I've heard that there were no lights.
Why?
There was fear of riots.
So they didn't want people to know that you're escaping, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
You remember it all?
Yeah.
and then Sundar Mama went a few years ago, right?
Sundar went, right? Did he? Has he been? No. What? Sundar's not been
Who?
to Sindh.
No.
And who went? Then no, it
So that
wasn't.
Mama has been? I don't think so.
No. Then he went to the other chemotherapy
No,
building.
he's talking about when he went to Saigon and he saw
Oh, okay.
Saigon,
Vietnam,
yeah.
this thing,
The Chekimatra.
where
Yeah.
the name is. Yeah, that's in.
That even, you were a baby.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sundar was, no, so you were not born.
But tell them about the trip when you all went to back to Sindh and how the doctor was there.
Yeah, in our building, in the
But okay, 1 minute. First of all, when you all went there, how did you find, Papa, you could find your way? You knew exactly where your house was?
Yeah.
You could remember, even though you were only 10.
Yeah.
So what, you all just walked in?
I remember Papa got very emotional and he also said that
You
at
see,
what
I knew one of the shopkeepers in our building, and he used to visit India.
So you all kept in touch with him?
So he kept in touch with us.
So you had him as a contact?
Yeah, so when we arrived there, I contacted him, and he immediately came and met me. And then he said that the doctor is out of town. He's coming in next day.
So the doctor obviously didn't know you all. I mean,
So he was introduced by that marble cutter.
and said these are the original deep people who lived in this home.
yeah, he was very friendly, very warm and very friendly.
So he let you all come into the house and everything?
Yeah, I think no. The marble cutter could not take us to the house.
No,
if I
because he
remember
was just a
correctly.
worker.
Even the owners of the people who are living in the Chemotherapy building now, the marble cutter said let them in. These are the original.
Even though the owner was not there. Okay.
Even though they, because for them, why would they let us in?
Yeah.
But they said, I take responsibility, let them in. Was it really like that?
Yeah.
Was it something like that?
Wow, so you all just went into the house. And how was the inside? Was it the way you remember, or had they done a lot of renovation?
No renovation.
So it was quite similar. And then the owners came back.
No, the owners we never met.
You said you were very friendly? You didn't meet the doctor,
No, the marble cutter was very friendly.
but you never met the tenants
No,
of the
no,
house that...
I don't know. We saw photographs of them. Did we meet them? We didn't meet them. We saw there were photographs of the doctor and his wife. I don't think we met them. Maybe they contacted us later by email. Do you remember that? Do you remember when they contacted us?
That time there was no email even.
Oh, that time there was no email. Yeah. Or maybe by letter. No, I don't know. There was no letter. There was no mobiles. There was nothing. There were just phone calls. I don't think there was.
And your
mobile.
school? Did you get to see your school and...
Yeah, I saw the school.
Is it still a school?
You remember? What has it become? You remember? I remember a place there which had, it's written as Sindhi. Was that the one, that school? And there was a broken a broken down building next to it which was being rebuilt or something like that. Was that your school? But there, you know, I spoke about Sindh and Pakistan no, over there. I mean, Sindhis I spoke.
Yeah.
Briefly, I spoke about Sindhis.
But when you went, the language around, everyone was talking Sindhi.
Yeah.
Every, like shopkeepers, it was like being in the state of Sindh. So the,
You were in Sindh, no?
yeah, but I'm saying like here, like Gujarat, you go, everybody shopkeepers are talking Gujarati, here you talk Malayalam. So they were talking Sindhi. And most of them must be Muslims, Sindhi Muslims, because they are the ones that stayed on. But they said, no, that if you want to remain Hindu, you leave, right? Isn't that?
No, that's not. In fact, that is how what I have also always believed. But strangely, Papa always said no, they were friendly, and I never believed him. I said, what, you know, he just said the people he knew were friendly. But now the more we are digging into it, like that book I sent you. And
Yeah, I haven't read that book yet. Yeah.
But the book I sent you, and people from what they remember, most of them said that they were, you know, the neighbors were very helpful.
Yeah, but see that it's
There
like
was
when
a riot, there was a frenzy.
it's like in the year 1993, a year before you were born. Okay, when your grandfather, when Daddy's dad was in hospital and we had terrible riots. Remember those Muslim riots, the Ayodhya, the Babri Masjid
That was
riots?
during when
That my father was in hospital.
when that Babri thing.
Yeah, when Babri broke up, because I remember we used to go to the hospital and we used to come back and see literally in like opera house and all in the alleyways, you could see fires. Yeah. Now at that time there were these riots, like Muslims started changing their names. Okay, and literally like a friend of mine, you know my friend Rahat who lives in Boston, right? So she's a good friend of mine. She actually called me and she said, Madhvi, if we need to get out, can I come to you? If it comes to that. And I said, of course you'll come to me. And she just said, I just want to know, because most of my friends are Muslims.
A similar thing happened in our building. That you know that in our building we have a lot of Boris. They are Muslim, but they are
Muslim
Boris. They are some of the peaceful Muslims, but anyway they are Boris. They are Boris, right? Boris. So one of them, I remember, her husband was not in town. So I actually called her and I told her, she never forgotten. I said, you know what? There is a problem. They remove, you know, there is a plaque of Hindus and Muslims who where they
No,
live.
like you know, like when you come to a building, they'll say 901 Kimat Rai,
Haven't you seen
904 Mehta. They pulled it off, so they
They
didn't
pulled it
know where the Muslims were living.
You know,
All the buildings did
this
that.
was actually for their safety. You know, because otherwise they would say, oh, you know, the Muslims are here.
And people were crazy. And this is Bombay
Very
City.
crazy.
Like imagine Bombay
What
City.
year was this?
93, a year before you were born. Your grandfather was in hospital, and we would drive home like normal, and suddenly there would be cops. I've never seen Bombay like that. There would be cops, and you could see fires. The Muslims went crazy. You don't remember that? The Muslims went crazy.
I remember the Babri Masjid, but
This is the
I
aftermath.
don't remember it in Bombay.
You don't remember? I remember because so clearly.
Yeah, Papa, you remember? I don't remember.
Like literally.
I remember the Babri Masjid hype, but I don't remember it happening.
And I'll explain
I
you why this happened.
I remember this plaque being removed.
Yeah, the plaque
The
was removed,
fires
and I
were-
remember fires in the
fires and
streets, and they said basically Muslims were just going and like if they knew that a Hindu
Hindus
owned
were
a store.
doing it. This time Hindus were doing it.
Yeah, and I tell you why this happened. Explain to him the Babri why this happened.
You see, there was a Babri Masjid. Okay?
It's a mosque.
Now you see, this is there all over India, and it is a fact that Hindus have believed that they are more tolerant. Okay. Now the Babri Masjid, they suddenly got it into their head that the Babri Masjid was a Ram Mandir before.
It's a mosque in
Was it?
Ayodhya.
Originally, yes, Ayodhya. It was originally a Ram Mandir. So they said now some Muslim emperor has come and demolished it. So we want to make a mandir there because this is the place where Ram was born.
And they claim Ram was born in that spot, and a Muslim emperor came and destroyed the birthplace of Ram and made a mosque. So now, who's to know really what?
Yeah, but you see, like the argument finally was, and then the Hindus said that the Muslims are being too spoiled. Am I right, Papa?
Yeah.
The Muslims are being too spoiled. They are just, wanting to, kind of take advantage. And that is a fact. In all fairness, they are the happiest in India. Because
Because it's a
India,
secular country.
it's a secular country, and we are basically
Peacemakers,
We until now believe that we are okay with Allah. They are the ones who keep thinking that they want to
But
convert
what
us.
happened was, they threatened. They said, if you don't demolish the mosque, we will. And it was like a countdown, I remember.
And then they demolished.
You know what they did? The Hindus went on the mosque and went and put a Hindu flag on it and started with like sticks breaking the mosque. So what they did was wrong.
That was wrong, but you see what happened is that, and the Muslims said this was done in the past. We are not responsible.
Yeah, some
maybe-
emperor did it, yeah.
Some emperor did it. So, but now that it is, you don't do this. But the Hindus, when you listen to the Hindus' argument, they seem to be justified. It is like now the Muslims have so much against America.
Yeah.
So because they say you did this, you did.
No, but I did not agree. I did
Me
not
too.
think that with the Hindus that they went and took them and demolished. I mean, it's a fact that
See,
an emperor
if-
did it, Mama,
The
years ago.
emperor did it to any mosque, I can understand. But this.
But you
is-
can't demolish
But
a mosque. Then
the-
then put a
Maybe.
Ganesh over there
No,
also.
No, maybe it was wrong. But the other thing that also got the Hindus was that the Hindus said that this is not, they cannot pray in a broken mosque. So this mosque was really of no use to them. You see, I mean, the whole thing became
It became
complicated.
crazy. It became
because
crazy.
since
So
you
that-
are not
so
going
it-
to pray in it
after the Hindus
anyway,
went and
so why
demolished the
should
mosque,
we have it
that
back
riots broke
the
out
way it was? Now
all
they
over
have a
the
point
country.
there.
But why were riots so bad in Bombay?
I don't remember the riots being so bad.
I remember why. Because this happened in Ayodhya. The country went mad. But what was Bombay that why it became so bad in Bombay?
I remember, as I said, I remember the neighbor incident. But I don't remember the fire incident. Mera phone. Hello?
That's
Oh, yeah, Nemo, how are you?
I can't remember why.
Oh,
Bombay
thank God. I
became
think you're
such a-
getting better only for Wednesday. I think so. I mean, Madhvi